Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this eye look using the Madison Beer palette by Morphe. It's called Channel Surfing Artistry Palette. I really love this palette. And so I just created this copper red tone look. I'm not wearing any false lashes with this look. I was going to apply some, but I kind of like the way it looks without them. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm going in with a Morphe JH35 in the shade Jericho. I'm just going to blend that right into the crease area. Sigma E35 in the shade Zero. And I'm just going to blend that to the lower crease area. And then I go with the shade Devil in a Dress with a Morphe M514. I'm gonna blend this also into the lower crease. This is just gonna add a touch of red and really warmthen up that area. And I'm going to take my finger and go with this shade called Marceline. It's a beautiful red coppery shade. So pretty. Some Kat Von D cake. I'm going to brush this on the outside. Take an angled brush and just smoke that out. The black in the palette called Rabbit Hole. I'm gonna go with the shade Bambi. I'm gonna brush out the fallout. Morphe M514, I go with the shade Devil Wears a Dress. Pinch those together and then rub them on the bottom lash line. I'm going to apply some of that black liner to my bottom lash line. apply some Becca Champagne Pop to my inner corner. To apply some mascara, this is a Man Eater by Tarte.